Hello everyone! Good afternoon, good morning, or good evening, wherever parts of the world you are tuning in from. Well, today is Thursday, guys. Happy Thursday. How's everyone doing? I hope you are all well and you are enjoying your day, even you are at work, guys. So, I'm here in our living room. Today I just did some of I'm catching up with our training, Millionaire Mastermind training. I'm catching up and I already watched the replay earlier and I'm catching up with some of the daily drop-ins training in our training site, guys, to learn more. So, andito po, I was washing clothes and now after this, I just need to fold it, to hang it after folding the clean ones. Yan po tayo. So, since this is Thursday, guys, I just want to invite you on our live complimentary webinar tonight at 5 p.m. PST and 1 a.m. UK time and 9 a.m. Philippine time. So, do you know what? This business, as what I've told you, the reason why I'm sharing this, it's very flexible and it's doable by anyone. Even though you are working full-time, you can still do this business, guys. Because as what I've already told you before, if you are following me, this business runs in automation once your business has been set up. And yun nga po. And our training is in video form as well. So, you can watch the replay on your own time. Kaya, so most of the people who joined here are all working full-time and some of them are working 3 jobs, but they can still do this business. It's because of its flexibility, guys. So if you are looking to have a plan B or a second income stream while you are working, guys, or even to those people to those mom who are working from home or who are stay-at-home mom, or sa mga tao po na retired, because there are also business partners here who are already retired, but they also start their own online business. Kaya po, this is for everyone who is willing to learn. But the good thing is everything has been set up for you, guys. There are products, there are system in automation, the marketing system. So all is done. And what you do is just to follow the training, post in social media platform, guys. So that's it for today, and thanks for watching. Have a lovely Thursday and God bless you all. Bye!